Hello, this is part 2 in a video series I've been doing where I'm doing reverse songwriting. I've been given some vocals by my friend Neil Luckett, and basically I've got to write all the music around it, decide what chords I want to put to it and everything like that. This is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1 and you want a bit more context, go to part 1, or if you just want to see the result and see what Neil thinks about my song, you can skip forward to part 5. Thank you very much. I want to get the feel of the song sorted with the drums, so let's move this microphone and I can get nearer the computer. Right, let's make that blue. Can't have a guitar without it being blue, so that's our guide guitar at the moment. Let's load up the Modo drum. I'm actually going to load no instrument at the moment and load it from a track preset that I've got. So Shut Me Down drums. Yeah, that was the last song I was doing some drums for. Not a particularly good drum sound on that. I should put it on the screen so you can see it. I'm going to try and make it a little bit smaller so I can see other things that are going on. So yeah, let's just have a listen to verses. It's 78 BPM, so open hi-hat. Let's go for a closed hi-hat. So I'm not going to spend ages on this. I'm just going to pick, where was I, a waver. Just see what that sounds like coming in, and that will come in there.
Just you and me, the same stale food, the same four walls. One.
A little bit too over the top, to be honest. Maybe if I change those snares to side sticks, maybe just needs a little bit more.
Just you and me, the same stale food, the same four walls. One.
Quite like that.
Just you and me.
I like that little skip there.
And me. The same step.
You subtle bass drum on that hi-hat. Pronounce that some more.
The same stale food.
Don't think I need to crash that early.
The same stale food, the same four walls.
Right, that's a basic bit of drum loop there. Okay, I'm going to put that in just as a basic.
I'll recalls sweet, sweet and bright and sad.
I mean, I'm definitely not going to use that pattern, but I'm just marking out the parts at the moment. I want some sort of nice chorus now. That, definitely not that. 4/4 chorus. Nice and straight. Let's go for that to start with.
Under rocks and stones when it was hiding within.
So don't like the pushes on the bass drum of that one. There, I'm going to quantize this because
Under rocks and stones when it was hiding.
I think that could be boom 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 bat. Keep the bass drums going.
And it was hiding within.
Yeah, maybe all the way through like that. Give it a... In fact, maybe it just needs a 4 to the floor all the way through. Every now and again, so it's like...
Under rocks
So every...
and stones when it was hiding within your skin and bones, surprising when I was searching.
It can have a little bit of a quirk to it now. So make them all full, bring them all back a bit. I want to add in a lower floor tom on this kit. So I'm going to go to mapping, hit the floor tom to load that one in, and go to the mixer, floor tom 2, pan it there, maybe bring this back a tiny bit. Make sure the room and overheads are the same. Copy over the equalizer and the compressor from the other tom, and we'll see what that sounds like.
Under rocks and stones when it was hiding with.
I'm going to do a lot to these drums, so don't think that this is anywhere close to being finished yet.
The white hole.
I like the fact it does it twice.
Under the rocks and stones when it was hiding within your skin and bones, surprising when.
Okay. I mean, that's just not going to be how the drums end up being, but I'll start them like
Just you and me.
I want it to come in on bar 5, so we've got a little bit of...
Look outside.
I'm going to have a pedal hi-hat. There it is. And a couple of bars before as well, just so. Get rid of these little skip beats I don't like.
I know just what I was looking for. Just what I was. Just what I. Just what I was looking for.
Flam that. Another thing I'm going to do is copy all of these crashes to here, so we're always doing 2 crashes at once.
I'll recall sweet.
Let's get a little bit of a roll before that.
I'll recall sweet. I'll recall sweet.
Okay, so we got some basics down. That guitar is very guide-like.
Look outside. Tell me, is it still just a sea of
Okay, let's put some bass down. I'm going to get on with this rather than messing around. Let's colour that track. Let's make it orange. Amplitude 5. I'm sorry if you can hear a load of church bells going off in the background. It's Sunday morning here and the church is going mental. Clearly something is happening. Jesus has risen, or I don't know, someone's getting married, or they're drowning a baby to save its life or something. I don't know what they do in churches.
Just you and me. The same stale food, the same four walls. While they jade and where there is freedom here that your smile recalls. Sweet, sweet and bright and sad. Sweet and bright and sad.
C sharp. Right, okay.
That your smile recalls. Sweet, sweet and bright and sad. Did we come so far from home just to look for gold as I hold you here in my arms? I know just what I was looking for. Under rocks and stones when it was hiding. Just what I was looking for. Under rocks and stones when it was hiding. Within your skin and bones, surprising. When I was searching everywhere to find out that it was always lying there. The white horse girl lying there under the rocks and stones when it was hiding. Within your skin and bones, surprising. When I was searching everywhere to find out that it was always lying there.
Okay, that'll do as a guide. Might tweak some of that, replay some bits. I might not. I might tweak the timing in the software because I'm not a bass player and I'm a cheat. All of which is fine by me. So let's get these edit points sorted out.
Tell me, is it still just what I was looking for? Under rocks and stones when it was hiding.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you like this video, you can watch the next part. All the links are in the description. Thank you very much.